Here we are with Shiloh today. He's a little amped up. The gate hit him in the butt and he bucked a little bit, but no biggie, we rode it out of him. Now he's all amped up. It's a real windy day here, that's why the gate hit him in the butt. I've been working a lot on neck reining. He's gotten really good. Better one direction than the other right now. He's not as good as he has been being since his little traumatic thing he had. As you see, he's gotten better at backing up immediately on the stop. Turns a little slow still. We've been doing a lot more outside riding. Haven't really done this exercise much with him lately, just because he was kind of on the outside, not wanting to listen to the neck reining, so we've really been working outside with that. I haven't really been doing much in here, honestly. We've been making sure he don't get far and sour, and because he was kind of getting that some, so he's tuning up on that. And he stops so fast and starts backing up there, it almost throws me forward. Gotta really sit back. This wind is brutal. Let's let him ride around a little now. Kind of calm down. Turn him a bunch. Whew. is awful. Hard to lope around without losing a hat. This wind is brutal out here today. It's like 25, 30 mile an hour gust. Whoa. Back. Alright. Well, my hat's already bent from a few buck offs last year, so the wind ain't gonna mess it up anymore. Alright, y'all. Thanks for watching us on this windy day. We'll keep riding them around here a little bit longer. Try not to lose our hat. Thank y'all for following us. We'll get that four-wheeler here soon. They had to order a part from Honda. That's what's taking so long. And you'll see videos of us tracking on Shiloh here. So continue to watch our progress. And thank y'all for watching. Have a great day and a great Easter.